So I'm going to reset the HomePod because it's going back tomorrow or the next day. Next time I get a chance to run down to Huntsville to the Apple store. I like it, but it's just not worth $350 to sit over there where I first did the video and every once in a while when I'm editing say play this music. Just not worth it. I can easily just play music through my speakers or my headphones or whatever, so it's going back. If you have the money, you want a very good speaker with some smart functionality, and you're in the Apple ecosystem, it's a great choice. I would keep it, but just $350, I just keep staring at it going, that's $350 just sitting there that I'm not utilizing like I should be something for $350. That's what it comes down to. So not sure if I'm really even going to use, I did a bunch of unboxings. I may use a little bit of it. Touching stuff.
Are these Dickinsons?
One's for you, one's for Miles.
Oh yeah, now I know what they are. This is 9?
I don't know, let me see the sizes.
Yeah, that's the first ones.
Alright, so Sawyer's and Miles. You want to step up and open them?
Mine! No, mine! These are kind of heavy.
Whoop.
That was kind of big.
That's your size.
What kind of big? Can I put this on there?
Why do you want to put the sticker on the box?
I'm keeping it.
So we got Miles size 2 youth and Sawyer size 13C children's. So obviously these are the black cements. Leather on them decent. It's tumbled. Not as buttery soft as hopefully mine are.
I think I'm going to be wearing these to school every day.
I gotta hit them with some Crip Protect. Here you go. Take them over there for a minute.
Had them? Try them on. I wonder which.
So these aren't the black cements, obviously.
You got 2? Oh.
Are the gold toe ones.
Ones he might sell.
Yeah.
He doesn't really like gold for shoes. He doesn't like gold.
They're very nice.
Shoes.
I'm just worried about the toe box getting creased beyond belief.
But that looks very good.
Yeah, they're really nice.
It's better than I thought it would be.
Looks like they come with white laces, black laces, and gold laces.
The white one I think would be the best.
You think so?
I think the black one. No, white ones would.
They look pretty good. Just not 100% sure what I'm going to do with those yet, so we'll get a little closer look at them in a second. Elephant print paper.
Baby. Baby.
That Nike Air.
Well, I have some.
I mean, these are just classics.
Have the same bottle like this one. Why do you get that chain?
Because that's what mine comes with. Just so you guys see, in case I didn't use it, I got the Jordan 3 black cements in today. But not only did I get mine, size 13 big man, but I also got 13 children's for Sawyer. And 2 for Miles. So we got the Jordan 3s in the house. I'm a little bummed because I'm out of Crep Protect spray, which I thought I bought like 3 bottles last time, but I bought all them Jordans over Christmas and I must have just like went through them. And then there was that time I cleaned all my shoes really well and then sprayed them all down again. So I thought I had a whole nother can that I hadn't touched yet, but it looks like I did. So, and then the other one that I got in today that, like I mentioned in yesterday's, I saw at the sneaker shop, is the gold toe one. And I really like this. I just don't know, one, about this toe box. If this toe box is gonna be able to survive me, because I actually wear my shoes, if I'm gonna actually wear these more than once. They're pretty semi-flashy. I like the color blocking on them. I think it's a great, I'm not a big fan of gold, but the gold's more subtle than the black. You can see the black's really shiny. But you get the black laces on it, gold laces, and then there's also white laces in the box. So, I don't know, let me know what you guys think about these down below, because I'm pretty sure it's 50-50 split on these. You either love them or you hate them, but in hand and in person, I think they're a lot better than the product photos or anything like that. But I may end up trying to flip them, because they're going anywhere from $290 to $340 I've seen on different websites, and I paid retail for them. So, you know, if I can almost double, you know, get almost double what I paid for them, that's not a bad deal. So we'll have to see. I don't know. I like buying shoes to wear shoes. So we'll see. Hopefully I can just flip those. I may just see if I can flip them right away, and then that takes the guessing game out of it. I just would hate to have a pair of shoes sitting in my closet for 2 weeks. It's just not my thing. So yeah, so let's get this HomePod reset. I believe you go into the Home app, tap on, hold the HomePod, details. Is remove accessory? I think it's just remove accessory. Removing will erase all content set. Yes, remove. So that's completely... Still playing the song that I was playing before. So, whatever. Bye-bye HomePod. Clickbait. No, I'm just kidding. It is going bye-bye. Morning and realized that I never closed out the vlog from yesterday, so it's tomorrow morning. It depends on when you're watching this, but it's the next day. But I just wanted to close this out, say I appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video, you can hit the thumbs up. If you've yet to subscribe, you can do that down below. And I'm gonna get the day started, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.